Hey, it's Mike from styleflip.com. I just want to give a quick look at the Akai MPK261 customizable skins available now at styleflip.com. You can add your own logos, change the color of the default text, add your own images, and create your own look right on our website. We send you an easy to apply skin that you install right in the comfort of your own home. We ship worldwide. We support over 1,500 products, laptops, mixers, pro audio equipment, keyboards, drum sets. Check us out. This is the Akai MPK261 available at StyleFlip with the customizable keys. You can use a PSD file or create the design right off on our site. The skins are removable, will not damage your product, and easy for you to install. Check us out at styleflip.com.